Eating greens has been promoted as one of the indicators of a healthy lifestyle.
But this might not be the case for much longer, with data from the Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate Service indicating that a variety of vegetables contain unacceptably high levels of pesticide residue harmful to humans and the environment.
Food security specialists are now calling upon the government to review the list of harmful active ingredients used in pesticides that are used locally.
Data from the KEPHIS 2018 annual report reveals that out of the 1,139 samples collected from the field, 530, which account for 46.5%, had pesticide detections, while 123, which account for 10.8%, exceeded the set European Union's maximum residue levels. 94.4% of kale sampled under the National Pesticide Residue Monitoring Program had pesticide residue. Peas followed with 75.8%, while the pesticide residue in capsicum stood at 59.2%. Root to Food, a body that advocates for food security in the country, is now calling for drastic measures.
As an initiative, we really are calling on the government to review the list of active ingredients that are available and being used by farmers in the country, with the view to having those that have chronic health effects withdrawn from the market.
Despite the Pest Control Product Board highlighting harmful ingredients in pesticides, laxity in monitoring farm produce by regulatory bodies has seen farmers continue using pesticides which are already condemned elsewhere.
When the PCPB is testing and registering, in the process of registering products in the country, they're mainly looking at the purity of a product and its efficacy. They're not collecting data on its environmental or health effects. And that's something we really need to improve on from a policy perspective.
These specialists are pushing for the adoption of ecological farming approaches to control pests. This method, they argue, will protect the soil, water and the climate. Lillian Kiarie, NTV.